watching complete my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.
Welcome to Elite Auto Reviews, where luxury meets real talk. We're not your average car channel. We dig deep, we go global, and we bring you the kind of automotive content that most American reviewers are too scared to touch. From the streets of Detroit to the highways of Europe, this channel is built for drivers who demand more power, more knowledge, more truth. Whether you're a gearhead who rebuilds engines on weekends or someone just trying to buy their next smart investment on four wheels, you've found your home. Elite Auto Reviews is where American car culture meets world-class automotive intelligence. Every logo you see, every frame we shoot, every word we speak is designed with one person in mind: you, the driver who refuses to settle. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into the kind of car content that actually moves the needle. This isn't just a channel, this is a standard. And around here, we keep it elite every single time we hit record.
On one side, the raw power of American muscle. On the other, the refined precision of European engineering.
Ford or Vauxhall? Sounds like a simple choice, right? Wrong. This comparison is about to challenge everything you thought you knew about the cars you grew up trusting. Ford is American royalty, bold, powerful, built into the DNA of this country's driving culture. But Vauxhall? This British underdog is quietly doing things that Detroit hasn't figured out yet, and most Americans have absolutely no idea. At Elite Auto Reviews, we don't pick sides based on patriotism. We pick sides based on performance, value, and real-world driving experience. We drove both, we tested both, and what we found genuinely surprised us. The fuel numbers, the handling feel, the interior quality, some of these results we honestly didn't see coming. This isn't about bashing an American icon. It's about giving you the full picture so you can spend your money smarter. Because at the end of the day, you deserve a car that works for your life, not just a brand that looks good on a bumper sticker. Stay tuned, because this comparison is going to open some eyes. You're watching Elite Auto Reviews, the channel built for Americans who take their cars seriously. Every week, we step inside the showrooms, hit the open roads, and push these machines to their limits so you don't have to guess. We cover everything from American muscle to European luxury, from budget-friendly daily drivers to the kind of supercars you see in your dreams and on our screen. Our reviews are honest, our opinions are unfiltered, and our production quality, we keep it cinema level, because you deserve content that looks as good as the cars we review. We're not sponsored to smile and nod. We're here to tell you exactly what these cars feel like at 80 miles per hour on the interstate, in bumper-to-bumper traffic, and on a cold Monday morning when you just need your ride to start. Elite Auto Reviews is where passion meets precision, where enthusiasm meets expertise, and where every single episode is made with the American driver in mind. Subscribe now and join a community of people who don't just drive, they understand what they're driving.
The Vauxhall Astra handles the legendary Route 66 with surprising grace. What a machine.
There's something about hitting the open American road that tells you everything you need to know about a car. And that's exactly what we did with this Vauxhall. We loaded up, pointed toward the horizon, and drove it the way real Americans actually drive. Long stretches, highway speeds, random detours, gas station stops, and a playlist loud enough to drown out any engine noise worth worrying about. And here's the thing, this car handled it. Not just survived it, actually handled it with a confidence we didn't expect from a brand most people at those gas stations had never even heard of. At Elite Auto Reviews, we believe the best car review isn't done on a closed track with perfect conditions. It's done on Route 66, when your coffee's got cold and you've still got 300 miles to go. That's the real test. That's where a good car earns its reputation. So if you're wondering whether a European brand can hold its own in the American driving experience, we've got your answer, and it might just surprise you. 5 cars, 1 American freeway, and a whole lot of horsepower between them. This is the kind of lineup that makes every real car lover stop scrolling and pay attention. At Elite Auto Reviews, we don't just throw together a list and call it content. We research, we compare, we drive, and then we rank with actual data and real opinions backing every single choice. These 5 cars represent the best of what's available to American drivers right now, across different price points, different styles, and different driving personalities. Whether you want raw muscle, refined luxury, smart efficiency, or just the best bang for your dollar in today's market, at least one of these belongs in your driveway. We're cutting through the marketing noise and the dealership pressure to give you something rare in the automotive world, the actual truth. Because buying a car is one of the biggest financial decisions most Americans make, and you shouldn't have to gamble with it. Watch the full video, take notes, and drive smarter. That's what Elite Auto Reviews is here for.
Elite Auto Reviews isn't just a name, it's a promise. A promise that every car we feature, every opinion we share, and every video we produce will be held to a standard that most automotive channels simply don't bother with. We built this channel for the American audience that's tired of being sold to. The viewers who can spot a paid review from the first 30 seconds, who read the comments before they trust the host, and who just want someone to give it to them straight. Our banner isn't just design, it's a declaration. Fast cars, real roads, honest voices, and a global perspective on an industry that too often stays in its lane. From muscle cars to imports, from electric vehicles to classic American steel, we cover the full spectrum because great driving doesn't have one face. It has millions, and they all deserve content that respects their intelligence. So when you see the Elite Auto Reviews name, know that what follows is research, passion, and a genuine love for the automobile in every form it takes. This is the channel you've been looking for.
That sound you just heard? That's not background noise. That's the entire reason Elite Auto Reviews exists. There is nothing in the world quite like a well-built engine doing exactly what it was engineered to do. And our job is to make sure you understand every single thing happening under that hood. American drivers have always had a special relationship with the engine. It's not just mechanical, it's emotional. It's the rumble at a stoplight, the surge when you hit the on-ramp, the growl that makes you feel like the road belongs to you. At Elite Auto Reviews, we get into the technical details without losing the feeling, because understanding your engine shouldn't require an engineering degree. It should just require the right channel. We break it down, we show it up close, we explain what separates a great powertrain from an average one, and we do it in a way that's as entertaining as it is educational. Whether you're comparing engines across brands or just trying to understand what you're buying, we've got you covered in every gear, at every RPM.
Welcome to Elite Auto Reviews. As you can see, we are here with this absolute beauty. The design on this model is simply unmatched in the luxury segment this year.
America builds cars with attitude, and Europe builds cars with intention. And when those two philosophies meet on the same road, things get very interesting very fast. At Elite Auto Reviews, we've spent serious time on both sides of this divide, and we're here to tell you that this debate is way more nuanced than most automotive channels want to admit. Yes, American muscle has a soul that European sedans simply cannot replicate. But European engineering has a precision and efficiency that Detroit is still chasing in certain categories. The truth, the honest, data-backed, road-tested truth, is that both sides have lessons to teach and advantages to offer. The American driver who refuses to consider a European car is leaving real value on the table. And the import enthusiast who dismisses American engineering hasn't driven the right American car yet. This comparison exists to bridge that gap, challenge those assumptions, and help you make smarter, more informed decisions about the machine you choose to trust with your daily life. Elite Auto Reviews, because great cars don't carry passports. There's a version of driving that only exists after midnight. When the interstate opens up, the city lights blur into streaks of color outside your window, and it's just you, the road, and whatever this car has left to give. That's the version of driving that Elite Auto Reviews was built to capture. Not the showroom version, not the dealer test drive version. The real version, unscripted, unsponsored, and completely honest. Late-night drives tell you things about a car that no spec sheet ever will. How the steering feels when you're tired, how the seats hold up after 4 hours, whether the cabin noise at highway speed is something you can actually live with or something that slowly drives you insane. These are the details that matter to real American drivers, and these are exactly the details we chase at Elite Auto Reviews. Because buying a car is a commitment, and you deserve every piece of honest information before you make it. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and ride with us, because the best drives always happen when the rest of the world is asleep.